Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nidhi and today we will be doing a review and unboxing video of some jewelry box which is known as Tilottoma box. So this is the first time I am doing an unboxing and review of this box. I just came across this box and I really liked it, so I went ahead and purchased it. So this box is worth ₹299 and with 70 rupees or 71 rupees, something around 70s figure shipping, and we get five personalized jewelry. Yes, you will be getting an option to choose the jewelries, and that's a very good thing about I think jewelry subscription box should have options to choose, because not every jewelry we like all our tastes are different. So yeah, I got it in my mail, and yeah, let's just unbox. So this is how it came. It came by speed post. So yeah, let me just remove this and we'll see one by one what all I have chosen for myself, as I got an option to choose. So this is how the box came. It's a cardboard box, well sealed. It's a bit broken, but it's, I guess, due to transit only, and my name is written over here. So let's just untape it and we'll see what all I have chosen for myself. So this is how everything came, and I got one more thing. It's their pamphlet, Tilottoma, their phone number, their WhatsApp number, their message number, then their Instagram handle, and Paytm and Facebook handle. And yeah, it's written, "Thank you for shopping with shopping. We hope you enjoy your shopping. When you will wear our jewelry, please share a photo with us. Stay connected and keep shopping with us. Wrote with love." And yeah, I am really excited to try this jewelry. So this is the first jewelry which I chose. It's a long chain neck piece. It's very elegant and very delicate, and it's very nice. Usually when we have this kind of long chain jewelries, we don't get the chain very nice, but this quality of the chain is really very good. And this is what it has, a tassel over here, and Gayatri mantra is also written over here, and I'm really happy choosing this, and this is very, very beautiful. Then I chose is this beautiful small jewelry. They are so good. Look at it. The design is very good, even the quality is very good, and as they are small and they are very pretty, and I'm really happy receiving this. So this is the second jewelry. Quality good. Then the third I chose is this beautiful peacock shaped earrings with leaf over down, and leaf and flowers are there, and they are super beautiful, and I really like it. I'm really obsessed with peacocks, I guess, nowadays, because I got so many jewelries with peacock design, but I loved it, and I went ahead and took this, and it's so beautiful. Look at the design, and it's not that heavy also. It's light in weight. Then I got is this beautiful pair of earrings. They are mirror work. I usually don't prefer mirror work earrings, but they are so beautiful. Look at this design, so nice, like flower kind of design, and it's very beautiful. And even this is not that heavy. Then fifth jewelry, and my favorite jewelry. Actually, I got this box because I saw this jewelry. It's this orange and blue colored jewelry with woolen threads. I guess this is, if I am not wrong, they are woolen threads, and they are so beautiful. Just look at it. Extremely light in weight. I have a kurti with the same color combination, and I am going to wear it with it, and it's just going to look superb. I am in love with these earrings. So yes guys, these are the 5 jewelry products which I got in this box, and I'm extremely happy with the quality and the curation of the box, like the choices I got. I'm really happy. I really liked it. So they have like 6 images, those 6 images there are like 7 to 8 options to choose from jewelry. Some might got stock out because their box is selling really fast. And yeah, I will be linking their Instagram handle. If you want to purchase it, you can purchase from there everything. So the box is ₹299 plus shipping, and I guess the shipping will vary for you guys, as for Kolkata is different, for for outside Kolkata is different. So do check it out, guys. And yes, this is all which I have to share it with you guys. Hope you guys like watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, that means a lot. Stay tuned for more. Have a nice day. Bye.